Hello and welcome. Let's get started on this DIY project. Okay, so here I'm just applying Fix-All, which is a super glue that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. The reason why I am gluing the burlap is because it was a little too wide and I couldn't place it where I wanted to place it on the vase. Okay, so now I'm just applying some hot glue. So now I'm going to break out the twine and I need to measure and cut it. But first I need to figure out how much I am going to need to go around the vase. I'm also going to apply a little hot glue here to help this stick better to the burlap. I'm going to apply a little more hot glue just on the top of this just to help secure it just a little bit more. Okay, so here I am going to measure and cut some more of this twine so I can make a cute little bow to go around my vase. Okay, so these cute little stones here I also purchased at the Dollar Tree for $1. These are going to be a cute little accent in the bottom of my vase. You might want to be very careful when adding these stones. This is why I tilted the jar a little bit, just so it didn't fall in the bottom so hard. Be very careful when you're doing this. So it is all complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. In my utensil vase, I chose to add my wooden spoon for a country farmhouse look.